let's look at 12 tips for living on a low income. If you're new to the channel and want to learn how to make money while you sleep, subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll never miss a video. Number 12, lower or cancel your cable bill. Consumers are ditching their traditional cable provider in favor of a streaming alternative. If you discover that cable isn't essential, it's time to cancel your membership. Number 11, carpool to work. You might save money on car maintenance costs and gas if you live near a coworker who's willing to carpool to work. You'll not only save money, but you'll also have a friendship that didn't exist previously. Number 10, lower your energy bill costs. It's easier than you might think to save money on your energy bills. You can reduce your energy expenses by putting CFL or LED lights throughout your house, or by using a programmable thermostat. Remember that small changes can make a significant impact. Number 9, cancel subscription services you're not using. Do you subscribe to Spotify or Pandora? If you're not sure whether you need both, it might be a good idea to cancel one. Check through your subscriptions and delete any that haven't been used in a month or longer. Number 8, cook the majority of your meals at home. Cooking your own meals at home not only saves money, but it also promotes a healthy lifestyle. The more you plan ahead of time, the easier it is to manage your grocery budget. Number 7, remove your credit card details from your favorite retail platforms. After you pay for your purchase, retailers save your payment information so you can quickly check out and spend more money. You'll have more time to think about each purchase before you overspend if your information is removed. Number 6, don't go shopping just because you're bored. Some people go shopping as a way to pass the time. Instead, consider going for a walk, reading a book, or reconnecting with an old friend. Number 5, use shopping apps to locate coupons and discount codes. Ibotta and SnipSnap can help you save money on the things you buy all the time. Number 4, before you buy anything, compare the prices of multiple products. With so many comparison sites accessible, it's a good idea to compare prices before purchasing anything. Comparing prices will help you get the best bargain for the goods you're looking for. Number 3, look for inexpensive alternatives to your interests. If you're an avid reader, consider visiting your local library rather than purchasing the newest edition of a book. If you enjoy working out, consider exercising at home instead of paying an expensive gym membership fee. Finding ways to participate in your hobbies at an affordable price is an excellent approach to living abundantly while lowering your expenses. Number 2, look for free activities. Spending quality time with your friends and family doesn't have to break the bank. Look for inexpensive activities in your neighborhood that you and your family may enjoy together. Number 1, use the 24 or 48-hour rule. Wait at least a day or two before making an unplanned purchase. Most of the time, you'll realize that you don't really want the merchandise after all. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.